You know, it used to take me a full production team, a videographer, an editor, hours in Premiere, and serious money. This.
Turning demos into highlights. Every product, every view. Bringing it all to life for you, MrYouWho.
Oh, sorry, I got caught up in it. As you can see, that is my face, my likeness, my MrYouWho branding, with the song created in a voice very similar to me, singing it, turned into a full channel trailer in minutes. And honestly guys, I'm blown away. Hi everyone, Andy here from MrYouWho. If you caught my first Freebeat video, thank you so much, because that one has now gone past 100,000 views, which is just incredible. And what I've made over the last few days has genuinely shocked me all over again. And today, I want to show you exactly what I did. Now guys, in this, you're gonna see the full MrYouWho channel trailer I just created. My face, my branding, my energy with a song generated in a voice just like mine, built into a full AI music video in minutes. I'm gonna show you an abstract branded version as well. Then a cinematic product trailer I made for my JBL Bar 1300 review, which has just come out. And then one more video that honestly got me a bit emotional. A story about someone chasing a dream of becoming a musician. And that one really shows what this can do for normal people who have ideas but don't have a budget, a team, or editing skills. Because the big thing with Freebeat, guys, is it's not just for YouTubers. It's for creators, musicians, producers, businesses, people at home posting on social media, or honestly anyone who ever wants to make something bigger than their skill set or budget would normally allow. So guys, let's start with the MrYouWho trailer, because this one generally stops me. So for MrYouWho, I wanted a proper cinematic trailer for the channel for a long time. Something with energy, something branded, something that feels like a real production. Normally that means filming, planning, editing, stock effects, all of the rest of it. I mean, it drives me crazy. But instead, I made this in minutes. Guys, let me show you exactly how. So this is a simple mode inside Freebeat. And what I love about this is it's ridiculously easy to use. You upload a photo of yourself, me with my MrYouWho shirt on, upload your music, and Freebeat gives you a whole range of creative directions to choose from. Different styles, different moods, different visual treatments, different ways to bring your vision to life. And for this MrYouWho trailer, I actually created a song in a voice very similar to mine. So it feels like me singing the trailer as well. That's what made this one hit differently for me, because it wasn't just an AI random video. It felt branded, it felt personal, and it felt like my channel. And as you can see, using it here, it's actually very, very easy to create. Because I'm a very busy creator and don't always have loads of time to mess around, I use a simple mode first. That means Freebeat is doing the heavy lifting creatively. Fast, easy, one click, and let it go. And that's the bit that blew me away. What came back looked like me. My likeness, my energy, my branding, consistent across the whole trailer. But that generated song in a voice like mine suddenly felt like a real branded MrYouWho intro. It didn't feel random, AI clips thrown a track. It actually felt like a proper channel trailer that you can listen to. Now if you want more control, there's expert mode, as you can see here. And that's where you can direct more of the scenes, transitions, and visual choices you like. So simple mode is amazing if you want speed, but expert mode is there if you want to shape things more precisely. And you've got an editor built in as well. So editor allows you to go and change tracks, change different things that you're using. And as we go through this video, I also want to pull in some footage from the first Freebeat video, because I think this is really interesting to see how far this has all come and how it builds on what we were doing before.
Click it, try it, I'll review it. If it's worth your time, we'll prove it. Good, bad, love it or lose it. You watch, I'll run you through it.
Sorry guys, wasn't that funky? I absolutely love that song and I created it all along. And here guys, enough talking, let's play the trailer.
It's Andy from MrYouWho. Got the latest tech to show to you. From apps to gadgets, old to new.
And as you can see, that would normally take me weeks, and the mad thing is just one version. Now let me show you the abstract MrYouWho one, because this is where Freebeat starts getting really, really fun.
Big ideas and bright new lights. Turning demos into highlights. Every product, every view. Bringing it.
So again, same idea, same energy, same branding, but interpreted a total different way. There's less performance, less character focused, there's more pure visual rhythm, more color, more movement, more motion sync to the music. And this is the kind of thing that's so useful for intros, social content, branding, TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, all that sort of thing. And this is where I want to bring in a bit of footage from last video, because even back then, I was excited what Freebeat could do. but now it feels like it's gone up another level. The visuals are stronger, the identity is stronger, and the output feels much more usable straight away. And that's a key thing here, guys, as well. It's customization. You can customize your images, your characters, your songs, your music, your visuals, everything you have control of. You can become your own creator. And it's also where you realize you don't have to make one version and stop there. You can take the same track and explore multiple directions very quickly. For me as a creator, that is huge, because normally trying different visual directions means hours edited, guys. And that's the thing I love about it. It saves time. It has more creative options than I normally bother attempting. You've got a creative team at your fingertips. So let's play that one just now.
It's Andy from MrYouWho. Got the latest tech to show to you. From apps to gadgets, old to new.
Sorry guys, I got into it again. Now the next thing I wanted to try was something that really matters for my channel, product reviews. Because I had this moment when I realized every major review I do could now have its own cinematic trailer. Guys, this is massive. So when I made one for my JBL Bar 1300 review, guys, here it is. Let me know what you think.
Late nights on the floor, learning out loud. Every hard road left a mark on me.
There you go, how was that? And it even had different parts about where I use in my environment as well. It even used the lightness of the speaker as well. So this is where it gets more interesting, because in Freebeat, you've got the music generator built in. So to do this, I create a cinematic track to match a JBL review. Big, dramatic, powerful. The kind of sound you want for a premium soundbar trailer. I took that track into the video side, uploaded a photo of myself and a photo of the speaker, and Freebeat gave me multiple generation options to choose from before I hit create. And again, what impressed me, I don't know if you guys noticed, but it wasn't just random visual noise. It was a proper trailer. The JBL Bar 1300, myself, cinematic lighting, using the products, hearing the product working. It looked like something you'd normally pay real money for. And this is where I started getting excited in a bigger way, because suddenly I'm not thinking about music videos, I'm thinking my JBL review, my dash cam review, my earbuds review, pool cleaners. Every big product on the channel can now have a cinematic branded intro. Guys, this is wild. Let's play a bit more of it and let me know what you think.
This is my open stage. This is my open stage. I came alive today. I came alive.
There you go, guys. Isn't that fun? And how easy was that to set up? And I'll try something more emotional, because this is a bit people often miss with AI tools. This is all visual gimmicks or quick clips, but Freebeat can do proper storytelling as well. So I created a short cinematic story about someone chasing a dream, becoming a musician. Someone with the passion, the vision, the ideas, but not the money, the team, or the production skills to make it real. And how did I do this, guys? Well, this is the storytelling side of Freebeat. So instead of just building visuals around a beat, it starts shaping a narrative arc, a beginning, a middle, an end. Something that actually feels like a story unfolded with the music. And that's where I think it gets generally exciting for more than just YouTubers. Because think about it, a musician in a bedroom, a student, a small creator, someone with an idea in their head, and no idea how to shoot a proper music video. Suddenly they can actually make something cinematic, emotional, and visually impressive without needing a full production team. That is not a small thing, and that is what makes this tool different. Let's watch a bit more of that just now.
Old tape in my bag, new words in my mouth. Late nights on the floor, learning out
Wow,
loud.
isn't that amazing? And one more thing I wanted to mention, guys, as well. Freebeat has lots of different other tools as well. So you can do translation, you can do dubbing, you can translate across multiple different content pieces. It can create AI viral shorts, it can create AI videos, it can do AI images, it can do all these different things. So we'll do a video about it in the future, so you can see how some of those key features work. But it really doesn't just go from a music video, it goes to everything else. Now, another thing worth mentioning is Freebeat can also generate short form content from what you create. So you make a music video or trailer, you turn to a vertical social content for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. And if you're a creator or business trying to stay consistent across multiple platforms, it can actually help you build consistently. So who is Freebeat actually for? Honestly, guys, loads of people. If you're a creator and you've got professional branded content, at the cost of time of a full production workflow, this makes sense. For a musician, you've got a track but no video budget, makes a lot of sense. If you run a business and want eye-catching social content without hiring an agency every 5 minutes, it makes a lot of sense. And if you're someone at home, so always had ideas, had a dream, want to star in their own video, make a little movie, start creating content online, or bring your own music and visuals to life, this makes a lot of sense. Because guys, this is what I think Freebeat gets right. takes ideas that used to be expensive, slow, and complicated and makes them genuinely accessible. And the other good thing is you can actually start free. You don't have to throw lots of money at this to see if it's for you. You can get in, have a play, try the platform, and if you want more credits and more features, the paid plans are actually very solid value for what you get out of it. I'll put my links in the description below and a pinned comment as well, and any purchase you make actually do help support us, and there will be a discount for you as well. But honestly guys, the biggest thing for me is just how fun this has been. See my own face, my own energy, my own Mr. You branding with a song and a voice like mine turned into a cinematic trailer in minutes. It's the sort of thing that genuinely gets my creative juices flowing. It's probably one of the most fun AI tools I've used in a long time. It doesn't just do one thing. It gives you ideas, it opens up creative directions, it lets you make stuff you might never have bothered trying before. And that, guys, is the best kind of tool. Let's go play with it, create something, make a trailer, make a music video, make a story, make something weird, make something beautiful. And if you do, drop in the comments because I'd genuinely love to see what you come up with. And also check out our last video and let me know, guys, what would you like to see from me else? What else would you like me to create from Freebeat? I'm open to your ideas. And the other thing is, it's not the world's your oyster, anything's your oyster with Freebeat. Check out our videos and thanks for joining us here, Andy at MrYouWho, and happy creating.
It's Andy from MrYouWho. Got the latest tech to show to you.
Big ideas and bright new lights. Turning demos into highlights. Every product, every view. Bringing it all to life for you. MrYouWho, here we go. Testing what you need to know. From the future to what's brand new, we bring it all to life for you. MrYouWho, feel the sound. Best new gear all coming round.
This is my open stage. I came alive today. This is my open stage. This is my open stage. I made it here to see. I made it here to stay. All I carried, all I lost. Every lonely mile had a cost.